Hi there. Prepare a blunt knife and watch me turn it into a sharp new knife using only a whetstone at home. For standard chef's knife, use a 30004000 grit whetstone to remove blade wear, then a 60008000 grit whetstone for an ultra sharp edge. The blade of a chef's knife has a 15 angle. You can approximate this angle by placing your index finger on the knife's back. Sharpen the front 2/3 of the chef's knife, then move to the back 1/3. Begin pushing forward from the front, making sure to maintain a steady 15-degree angle. Use 3 fingers to apply even pressure across entire blade edge while sharpening. Push it upward and grind for 5 seconds. Then pull it back and grind the front for another 5 seconds. Now flip over the chef's knife. Grind the other side of the knife at a 15 angle. Come, take a look. Watch me as I demonstrate. First, sharpen the front 2/3 of the kitchen knife, and then the back 1/3. Make sure you can see it clearly. Sharpen the front and back 5 times each, and repeat this cycle 3 times. Flip it over again and repeat the previous knife sharpening action. The front and back sides constitute a set of actions, and this set of actions should be repeated for 3 to 4 cycles. Wash the chef's knife until the blade is shiny and smooth to the touch, indicating completion of the coarse sharpening. Perfect! Now we will use a 8000 grit whetstone to finely sharpen the edge of the chef's knife. Rinse the whetstone thoroughly. When fine sharpening, slightly increase the angle from 15 degrees and use less pressure. Use gentle pressure and repeat the sharpening motion on both sides of the blade for 3 sets. Yep, it's the same as before, just with a slightly larger angle and lighter pressure. Listen for the sound. When you no longer hear the sharpening noise, your chef's knife is as good as new. Perfect! At this point, scrape the knife edge on your fingernail. If it leaves a mark like mine does, you're all set. Great! Finally, dry the chef's knife and test it by cutting a piece of newspaper. It's very sharp, easily slicing through with no sound at all. It's extremely sharp. Listen to this. When I shave my leg hair with the freshly sharpened chef's knife, you can actually hear the hairs being cut. This is razor sharp.